Good morning. Okay, today we're going to talk about multiplication squares. All a square is in math means that I can take a number by itself and get that as an answer. So I can take 2 times 2 and get 4, which means 4 is a squared number. I can also take 3 times 3 and I get 9, so I know 9 is a squared number. This does not mean 2 is a squared number. This does not mean 3 is a squared number because I can't take anything times itself to get those numbers. I could take 5 times 5 and get 25. This means 25 is a squared number. Anytime I could take a number times itself, the product of that number times itself would be a squared number. So even if I took 12 times 12 and got 144, I know that 144 is a squared number. Okay, on the multiplication grid, I have a multiplication grid down here. You can see a pattern of squared numbers on the multiplication grid. They're going to be where the same number meets itself. So here I've got 1, 1. So where they meet, their product I know is going to be a squared number. Okay, next one I can take 2 times 2, it's going to be 4. 4 I know is a squared number. 3 times 3 is going to give me 9. 9 is a squared number. 4 times 4 meets at 16, so I know 16 is a squared number. 5 times 5 meets at 25. I know 25 is a squared number. 6 times 6 meets at 36. I know 36 is a squared number. You can do this with all the numbers. Just as long as it meets itself, it'll make a diagonal down the middle of the grid.